lesson 4, problem 4, and the first thing you want to do is factor out. Oh, actually, the first thing you want to do is get rid of this denominator right here. Let me get a different color. This denominator by multiplying it to the numerator. But before we multiply it to the numerator, we have to factor out the numerator first. And once you factor it out, you should get this. And basically, this is just this written in a different form so we can cancel out the numerator and denominator, which is x plus 3. And since that we can cancel it out, this would equal x minus 2. And since we're looking for x approaching at negative 3, we plug in the negative 3 for the x, and you end up with negative 5. So when we know that x is approaching negative 3, it will be at negative 3 and negative 5 on the axis.